All right, we're going to take you back now. Way back. Thank you.